Hey everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you today the In This Together bundle. This is the bundle that creates 3 layouts and 8 cards. And there will be a Facebook Live on the corporate Facebook page to create these projects on March 18th and 19th. So I'm going to share with you what comes in the bundle. So these are the stickers, and I'll read some of these sentiments to you in quarantine, of course. Virtual hugs, wear a mask, snacks, indoorsy, currently hibernating, we got this made with love, take a hike, social distance champ, work from home quarantine, what day is it? Stay home, self-care, all-day pajama party, lockdown, showering optional, and COVID-19. So obviously these are themed for what's happening in our world today. So if you're busy taking pictures, you'll be able to scrapbook them. So the great social distance, the isolationist, roll with it, toilet paper, and stay home. Okay, so these are stickers, and then these are a closer look at the papers. So lots of stuff going on. Binge flicks, The Longest March, letters, mom and dad and best friend, super cute, cute. And then the opposite side is a floral. And this says laugh, sunshine, meditate, relax, walk, breathe, sleep, connect, and bubble bath. Pretty colors. Okay, the colors in this collection are Carolina, Clover, Evergreen, Grape, Lagoon, Lilac, Lemonade, Mink, Nectarine, Sapphire, and White Daisy. Okay, so nice. And then the next one, stripes, and the flip side, well, that's fun, and then rainbows. Cute. And this one, miss your face. Wash your hands, stay home. Cute. Okay, and then the flip side is lemonade, diagonal stripes. Oh, these are cute. These are little coffee mugs and teacups in little patterned icons, a little happy face on a coffee mug. Oh, cute. Cute. Okay, those guys. And then this one, hearts on a lilac background. Toilet paper. Very cute. And then hearts in all the colors are in the collection. Cute. Grid pattern in a bunch of the colors. And flip side are polka dots in all the colors. The zip strip is toilet paper. Very cute. And this one. Nuts in clover. And on the flip side, masks in all kinds of colors. And the zip strip is diagonal. Wisteria and lilac. Or maybe just dark lilac and regular and light lilac. Cute. Okay, and then the collection, you also get all the cardstock that you're going to need to do the layouts. So we got Grape and Lemonade, Lagoon, Sapphire, Clover, and White Daisy. That comes in the bundle. And you also get this stamp set. Miss your face. I am smiling. We got this social distance champion, roll with it, saving the world one nap at a time, and virtual hugs. It's going to be fun. Create layouts with this collection. And then these are the dots. These are self-adhesive dots that are just like the ones that the black and white dots. And they come in all different sizes and colors that are in the collection. So nice. A whole bunch of those. Okay, so the layout instructions, there's a link when you go to purchase this collection. I'll put a link in the description below as well, but you can download the cut instructions already, and it will show you exactly how to cut everything and how to assemble it. And I'll try to capture some close-ups of the actual layouts that you'll make. There's also going to be a workshop if you prefer 6x8. There's also a version of, there's another workshop that is in 6x8 size. So we've got these layouts. These are so cute. They're going to be fun to do. And there's some cards. Yeah, we get some cards as well. So flip through this really quick, and you can download this right away to get all these cut instructions. Okay, so I will put links in the description below, and I appreciate you watching my video today. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.